Let architecture breathe again. Sine Studio proudly present a bold new sustainability strategies ebook that reimagines the future of design. In one powerful volume, we explore how architectural projects can adapt like ecosystems, think and use smart technology wisely, and create spaces that heal both people and planet. From climate-responsive form and breathable materials to daylight rhythms, thermal logic, and sensory comfort, this guide fuses science, empathy, and innovation across more than 30 chapters of practical insight. Whether you are designing homes, schools, or civic spaces, this book helps you to turn intuition into evidence and sustainability into beauty. Download it today and let architecture breathe again.